What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that will pay you $500 per hour. Wow. You're going to love this, guys. I'm telling you, you're going to love this. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometime this month, 2 lucky people are going to win some free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, guys, I don't want to waste you guys' time, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into this right now. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Let's get it right now. All right, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I put up this app called Make Money Free Cash Rewards. Now I'm going to be talking about 3 apps. So please don't click away. Please don't fast forward because all these apps are good, especially the last one. So please watch all these apps, guys. I'm going to go through kind of fast because since I got 3 apps, I don't want to be all day on this video. Okay? Now, this app has several tasks that you're going to be doing to make money, but it's real easy, guys. And let me just show you some screenshots how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside right here. So you can see you're going to click here, you'll earn 12,000 credits because you'll earn credits on here and you're going to redeem them for PayPal money. And as you can see, here's how it looks for us. Answer some questions. How many minutes a day are you using a phone? So you just answer that. And here's the PayPal payout. So that's how it looks inside. You're going to click that to submit. And this is how the balance would look. Again, these are credits. So you can request a payout. And again, here's the balance and request the payout. So it shows you completed offers. So just everything in here just shows you what you completed and how much you can withdraw. And this one has the offers. So this is how one offer would look. And this is how much you'll earn. All of them are different. And here's another one where you'll earn some more credits by filling out these surveys. Surveys are real easy, guys. And again, here's PayPal. Answer this question. You go to the next. And that are rewards. So that's all you have to do. As soon as you answer a survey, you answer that question, and then it goes to the payout. So let's just read a little bit more right quick. So you're going to be trying free apps testing services, and completing surveys. So that's what you're going to be doing with this app here. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.7. That's excellent, guys. That's excellent. And let's just read one review. So this person named Diamond says, I love this app so much. I've already cashed out so much and the offers are so easy. So this person loved it because they say the offers are real easy. But they say they have one issue with this app is just they only pay out through PayPal and they don't pay out through gift cards. Believe it or not, some people want to be paid out through gift cards like Google Play or Amazon. But other than that, this person loves the app. All right, guys. So to get started with this app, you just go to Google Play and you look up Make Money Free Cash Rewards. Now let me go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Pay. So make money and free gift cards with a survey. So yes, it's another survey app, but this is a real good survey app, guys. One of the best out there. So let's look at some screenshots. So you're going to earn money and answer these surveys. As you can see, the surveys are not that long, like 7 minutes. Some of them are 15 minutes. And as you can see, you can get paid $2.36, $1.53 here. It's simple and easy. Complete surveys. And on here, you're not just going to get paid off PayPal. You're going to get paid off gift cards too, like Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and Spotify. And it just talks about the payout through the Amazon. You have to get up to $25 to cash out with a gift card. And let's see what else we got here. So earn money by completing surveys. So that's how they're going to look inside again. Answer simple questions. So like, which TV shows do you watch? Here's the gift cards again. Here's Amazon and PayPal. All right, let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more. How does it work? So you register with Pay, participate in surveys to get and increase your balance, exchange your balance for PayPal credits, Amazon vouchers, and many other voucher cards. Benefits from daily new surveys. Now let's look at the rating. So the rating out of 5 stars is 4.6. Here's another good app, guys. That's almost close to 5 stars. Now let's read one review here. All right, let's just go ahead and read this one per se, your mom. So this person says, excuse me. So this person says, so at first glance, the app is designed well. It's readable and pretty straightforward, and rewards are easy to earn when you're allowed to. I got to about $1.70 in 20 minutes. Wow, that's pretty fast, guys. So this person is happy with this app and got paid pretty quick. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with this app. So go to Pay and Google Play to get started with this one. Now let me go to the last and final app. You're gonna really enjoy this last and final app, guys. Okay, I'm at the third and final app. So name of this app is Earn Cash and Money Rewards Current Music Screen. So you're going to get paid right here just to play music. So let's just click on the screenshot right here. So current, so get paid to play. And as you see, it has the popular stores and has PayPal. You're going to be getting PayPal money, Starbucks cards, Amazon cards. And here's the here's the big thing, guys, that you're going to love. Earn up to $600 per year. Now, I know that's in a year, but you're just going to be playing music and you're going to be making $600, up to $600, guys. So you're going to play music, search, and play from 100,000 radio stations. Choose a game and earn per minute. So you're going to be earning per minute. See what else we have here. Lock screen rewards. So play music and earn fast cash. So you'll be able to play music on your lock screen, and you'll be able to invite friends, and you're going to earn thousands of points and 5% for life. That's something else, guys. And you're going to be they have weekly giveaways on here that you can earn and win. And earn 10,000 points for every $200 you save. And let's see this last screenshot here. Earn points at your favorite shops and restaurants. Cashback rewards. So you're going to be earning points from stores like Walmart and restaurants. Let's scroll down here and just read a little bit more about what this app is all about. So earn cash money by streaming music for free. Start to earn cash by playing your favorite music. You can also earn additional rewards by completing surveys, sharing your opinion, inviting friends, daily shopping habits, and more. And you'll be able to earn from cashback activities on your favorite products and earn PayPal gift cards, Uber gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Adidas gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Target, and PayPal money. I'm assuming that's what they mean when they say and PayPal. So I'm assuming they say you can just get money because that's what you guys want. So get rewards to earn up to $600 a year. Don't pay money, get paid money from music streaming. I'm not going to read all this, guys. You can come on here and read everything else about this app. But I'm going to scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.4. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, guys. And let's look at review. So this person right here says, great app. I'm able to earn points, which I can redeem for gift cards of my choice. So this person is happy because they can redeem their gift cards of any choice. All right, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this app. But this is one of the best apps out there, guys. You making up to $600 just playing music. So, if you're ready to go ahead and download this app and get started, go to Google Play and look up Earn Cash and Rewards Current Music Scene. Current Music Screen. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. But before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps that I talked about today. And also, please share this all around the internet because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, one more thing before I go. Go check out my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. I'm giving away free money over there too to a lucky subscriber. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, the link to the channel will be in the description or it'll pop up here in this video. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your time. I really appreciate it. Until next time, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.